Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to sync with an external calendar. Whether we are connecting different apps or managing multiple schedules, we will walk you through the simple steps to keep everything in one place. Let's get started. On our browser, we will use Calendly as the external calendar we are syncing. We can sync it to Outlook or Google Calendar, depending on our preference. To connect to Google Calendar, all we need to do is click on Integrations and Apps. Once we are here, we just select the Google Calendar option. We then need to connect it to Google Calendar so that everything links up. We just need to log into our account, click Continue, and proceed. As we can see, it is now successfully connected. From here, we can connect the calendar account and add any buffers we need. As we can see, it is now syncing. It will automatically sync our calendar with Calendly, and everything is now up to date. That is how we sync with an external calendar. With this setup, we can stay organized and keep all our events updated across platforms.